Hello and welcome. This is going to be a little series on the revival of this TZR 2-stroke 4FL. This bike has been sat here for around 5 years, completely untouched. Let's take a quick look at her, see how dirty she is. There's quite a few cobwebs on her. But the aim of this video is that I'm hoping to strip the engine out and get it rebuilt. We have all the parts for this bike. We have the tank and the fairings. This is just how I left her 5 years ago and just abandoned it really. I'll insert some pictures of how she looked before she came off the road. We've got to start this process with giving her a clean down. Let's get some spray all over her and wash her down with a bit of soapy water. On to today's main job. Let's get this engine out, check her over, see what's going on. Let's try putting her off. Yes, there she is. To the side of the wheel pump. One. Temperature gauge. Disconnect from the wiring, gear linkage. Finally, looks like this one. There we go. We've actually come into the house because it started raining. So we'll just strip this down and take a look at what's going on. let's take a look at the state of this head, see if there's any damage. Yeah, there's a few little dings in there. Could have been a piston ring or a bit of grit, whatever, but there is a, we'll grind that up, we'll grind that out, it's not too bad. So let's take a look at this barrel now. There's minor scoring around these areas. Oh yeah, there's a bit of a bit more damage there. This is the barrel. This piston was put in brand new just before it got sat. So there's less than a couple hundred miles on this piston. Yep, there's a little bit of damage. Looks like I maybe got a ring stuck in there. I've got the engine casing's taken off, and there's no teeth on this one here. And the shaft seized. So there's another job. Well, this is everything we've got for the rebuild so far. We have a water impeller with seals, bolts, a new piston kit, a starter motor, another impeller with drive wheel or gear, a full gasket set, the old barrel, and our new barrel, which is in much better condition, and the power valve. So we're starting with the starter motor. Just going to check that the rings are nice and freely and they move around with no resistance and they're not getting stuck or caught up on anything. Let's check out this barrel. No scoring or anything. Absolutely tip-top condition. Beautiful. And I went ahead and ground off all the high spots. There are a couple of little divots in there still, but nothing to really worry about. It's much better. Just the last few parts now, and that will just about complete this top end rebuild and refurb of this 2-stroke 4FL engine. Just the power valve seals to go now, they're just rubber O-rings. Well, that is the engine rebuild or top end refurbishment complete now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help my channel grow. And if you have any suggestions on what bikes or engines you would like to see rebuilt on the channel, put a comment down below. Well, let's take a look at the finished engine and see how good she looks. I really don't think the pictures do it any justice, but here we go.